Hello traders, this is Pranita Kabra from tradewaves.co.in. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about one very reliable price patterns which has a potential to give enormous returns. And when spotted correctly on weekly or monthly time frame, my dear friends, it has the potential to give multi-bagger returns as well. So what is this pattern that I'm talking about? Are you ready to learn about this pattern in brief along with me? Let's have a brief look over this pattern and how this pattern looks like. Suppose prices are in a strong uptrend. Now, when prices are trending upwards, post that if prices consolidate between two converging trend lines. What I mean when I say converging trend lines? Converging trend lines means these lines tend to meet at some point which is called as an apex point. And you can see that this is the consolidation that is gradually taking place. This entire pattern, first the up move and second the price is consolidating between these two converging trend lines. This entire pattern is called as a bullish wedge pattern. This is a price pattern that is highly reliable when spotted correctly. And now, if you see that prices break above this downward sloping trend line, it is considered to be a breakout. Of course, there has to be n number of parameters that support this point. You have to check on other parameters like volumes and few indicators, but when supported and confirmed by other parameters as well, this is a very promising price pattern and it has a potential to go upwards and give a strong up move. This is called as a bullish wedge pattern. Let me take you to one of the charts that showed a bullish wedge pattern and turned into a multi-bagger stock. This is the weekly chart and you can see that prices were trending upwards. This is the strong up move seen in the prices. So condition number 1 is met. A strong up move is seen in prices. And post that prices consolidated between two converging trend lines. So this is the second condition that is met for a bullish wedge pattern to occur. Now, when prices break above this downward sloping trend line, we get a breakout. So at this point, prices broke above the trend line and we got a breakout at around 42 levels. Now, let's see how this stock behaved post forming the bullish wedge pattern. So prices went up, prices moved almost in a straight line and went towards 100 levels in no time. Went up, continued its up move, went towards 200 levels, crossed it successfully, went up, went towards 300, 350 levels and there is no sign of exiting seen on the chart anywhere until now. Let's look how interesting this move becomes. Prices went up and now this is the point where prices gave a signal to exit. This is around 580 levels and this was the point where prices gave an exiting signal as per the exiting strategy that we use. So this is the power of technical analysis. So which is this stock that I'm talking about? This is TVS Motor, a classic example of a multi-bagger stock. The stock gave a return of more than 120 to 130% in just short span of time. In hardly 4 to 5 years, the stock went from 42 levels to 580 levels. Such an amazing move. This is the power of technical analysis. And the reason I'm discussing about bullish wedge pattern today is that many stocks are developing such kind of formation on the charts as of now. So keep a watch over it and do not miss the trending move if it occurs. Of course, do not rely on just one parameter to take a trading decision. You need secondary confirmations to confirm price patterns. You need to check on candlesticks, you need to check on trend lines, you need to check on indicators, volumes, and lot many parameters, and then take a trading decision. So learn about price patterns, learn about all such technical tools and techniques, learn about the strategy to enter such stocks, and formulate an exiting plan. Join the upcoming program on technical analysis by Trade Waves. The details of this training program are given in the comment section below. Thank you.